lounge today with cocktail guru Dave, as he's known to many in Sheffield. Normally when I come into Tribbits, I just ask Dave to make me something with Locksley Gin, and he makes me the most amazing cocktails. Today I'm going to actually ask him to make me something off the menu because I haven't had it before. It's a doodah. It's your creation, yes?
It is indeed.
Will you make me one of those today?
I will indeed.
Can you tell us what's in it?
Specifically my sort of style.
Okay.
Usually I prefer much sort of stronger drinks, but this is my idea, my take on quite a tropical one, more tiki style. So we start off with a lot of fresh fruit. So we're going for, it'll roughly be about a shot of fresh grapefruit juice.
Okay.
Great start, paired with the Locksley.
Yes,
works
perfect.
beautifully. Just brighten it up with a bit of raspberry. Works quite nicely. Sometimes I use syrups, sometimes I use fresh raspberries. Either way works beautifully. Just a little bit of cranberry juice. Again, just helps dry it out. It really works to sort of lengthen the drink and not in a sweet way. A lot of juices will sweeten it.
Add too much sugar, yeah.
Absolutely, and that's still quite against. So just muddle all that, get all the juices out. And then to sweeten it up, I use some fresh made lemon sherbet. So this takes quite a few days to make. I'll take a lot of lemon peels and little lemon sugars, helps bring all the oils out, and you get a really citrusy sugar. And then I dissolve that into fresh lemon juice.
Nice.
It gives a beautiful sort of sherbet flavour, and that'll just be our sweetener. And then bring that back down with a bit of fresh lemon juice. And then again, dry it out.
My favourite.
Can never go
I prefer it to combine. Definitely.
It's a personal preference, that's for sure. But it never goes amiss. And then finish that beautifully. Big double shot.
It's Robin of Locksley Gin. Double tins, no glass. You're a much better shaker than I am. Do you count when you shake, or you just go by the feel of the tins? Or a little of each?
I go by temperature.
Yeah.
I can feel it.
You can feel when it's chilled appropriately.
Absolutely.
Double strain so you don't get any of the bits from the fruit.
Of course.
That's a gorgeous colour.
It is. It's a rich red.
Wow.
I find it important to make as much of a mess as possible.
Absolutely. It wouldn't be a good cocktail without it. Garnish with another bit of grapefruit.
Bit of grapefruit.
That's your cocktail. Thank you, Dave. I can't wait to try it. It looks amazing. Oh, that's beautiful. It's really balanced. I get a little bit of bitterness from the Aperol, and it's got a slight sweetness, but definitely not overpoweringly sweet. You can definitely taste the lemon sherbet in there. It's a beautiful cocktail. Thank you so much for having us today.
No problem.
Cheers.